the channel, and more importantly, welcome back to the next project. So yesterday I drove over to see a guy called Matt over in Stockton, and I bought this off him. It's a I think 1965 or 1966, I need to check, LI 125 series 3. I'm not 100% sure exactly whether all the engine bits are there, but regardless I'm going to be upgrading it a little, just to give a little bit more poke for getting around the Lake District, possibly with two people on it, getting up and down some of the hills. So I'm going to upgrade the engine anyway. Generally the bodywork is in better condition than the previous restoration on the Vespa, so that could potentially make life a little bit easier. Some of it is even, I would imagine, just needs to be buffed up a little bit. The mechanicals, on the other hand, are pretty shot. So what I'm intending to do is work on the mechanicals, particularly the engine, over this winter, because doing the bodywork is an awful lot easier to do in nicer weather when I can go outside and do sanding and stuff like that. So we're going to concentrate on mechanicals, and the first thing I need to do really is to strip the engine down, see what bits I have got, see what bits I have got but can't be used, see what bits I need to buy, how it all kind of fits together and works, and we're going to go from that point. But the bottom line is, I was a bit worried that I wasn't going to have a project to do over the winter, but now I have. So I hope you're going to enjoy this ride with me, and it'll be the usual same things as last time. Some things I know what I'm doing, some things I don't. Mechanicals are different this time, so that will be interesting, and we'll see what we end up with and how long it takes us.